Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. So welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be unboxing another wireless earbud from Lenovo, ThinkPlus LivePod XT96. So this is actually how the earbuds look like. Let's go to the back. Earbuds battery life, the battery size is about 30 milliamp and it can actually last for about 3.5 hours. The charging case itself is about 300 milliamp and the charging time takes about 1 hour. Let's get into it. Is the user manual. The packaging itself is actually very clean, very simple. In the middle is actually the earbud itself in a translucent white color wrapping, and at the bottom you'll actually see a white color charging cable, USB-A to USB-C, and the other one that was left inside the box is actually the user manual. So one end is actually Mandarin, the other end is actually English. Okay, so this is actually like the qualified certificate, and we go into the main thing, and that is actually this one. Let's unwrap it, drop it out. Oh, so small and so compact. It's like beige color, transparent casing. I like the design, very clean, very modern. So at the front you actually see the company name Lenovo, and then probably this one is like the indicator for the casing and for even charging. And then just now we open it, this is where the lid opens, and there's I think there's a small magnet here. At the bottom is actually USB-C charging port, and then these two are probably the charging point for the earbud itself. At the back, nothing much, just the name. Let's open it up. Let's reopen the lid, right? And they're actually not in here, so let's take them out. It's like it's white color and it's also equally shiny, and it looks a little bit like the Apple AirPods 2, right? With a slightly shorter stem. The stem here is probably like the touch command area, right? So you see that over here there's like slight depression here, followed by a dot. Let's see what they are. And then at the bottom, yeah, you see two pogo pins here. This is where this goes into this dot here, right, inside the charging case. To wear them, super easy to slip them on, plus because they're non-in-ear, so they kind of just slip into my ears. I don't feel anything going to my ears, which is great for some of you here who don't really want anything going to your ear. Yep, this is the type of design to look for. I'm gonna put them back, and as always with all new earbuds, I will need to charge them up. So I have a USB-C cable here. So it's actually blinking. Gonna leave it and let it fully charge, and then we'll come back and see what happens. Hi everyone, I actually left the earbud to actually charge for about close to 1.5 hours. So the light actually says solid, which actually means that it's actually fully charged. Right, alright guys, so for this segment of the video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to actually do the Bluetooth pairing with an Android phone. Right, so this is actually the ThinkPlus LivePod XT96 from Lenovo. Right, so first and foremost, open up, switch on the Bluetooth. Right, so the Bluetooth is on, nothing happened, so just have a quick pairing. Let's take out the earbuds, scan again, and there you go. You can see it here, tap on it. Okay, do pair, and there you go, that's your paired. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is probably going to test the audio, going into YouTube Music. I'm actually at 100% volume. Camera is about like 30 to 40 centimeters away from where the earbuds are. So do let me know if I can actually hear it very clearly from the built-in microphone of my iPhone 12 mini. Now for my ears, I can hear it actually very clearly. Now I'm just going to down it. Probably somewhere around 50%. I'm going to wear it. I'm just going to bring it to the beginning. Vocal-wise, it's actually very, very sharp. A little bit of bass, even though it's at 50%. Okay, let's up it to 100%. So something really bad is that this earbuds, I won't really recommend it to be at like beyond 80%, because that's where the music will start to get really rough and it's like it's starting to crack, right? It was actually irritating my ear because the bass was like unfiltered and everything. Yeah, so I mean, if you want, you can keep it at 50 to 60%. Do not go anywhere beyond that. So what are my thoughts about this particular XT96? Firstly, I think it's a very light earbud, very easy to operate because of the touch commands. It's very simple, very easy to get used to it. Very slim, very compact, very small. But in terms of music-wise, the audio quality, I mean, it's for general listening. If you just want something very simple, you have no much requirement, you know, like all the audio files, how level, I mean, there are way better earbuds than this. And this earbud's not really very good because the audio, the sound will start to crack when it's like more than 80 or 90%. And that's not really very good because you start to hurt your ears. Alright, so if you're someone who just needed to use it at home, like when you're doing your work,
when you're like doing just like your homework, those study sessions, yeah, this earbuds will do fine. Other than that, if you're in a noisy environment, you just want to like cloud out, no, this earbuds a no-go. All right, so that's it for me. This has actually been my quick review, unboxing, charging of the Ting Plus LivePod XT96. My name is Johnny. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.